Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to talk about this dress that I made. I used an older pattern, so let's get started. So first of all, welcome back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and I like to share information, either sewing tips, inspiration, whatever the case may be. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about this dress. So I needed to make a mock-up or muslin of a dress, because that's what I wanted to do for an upcoming Minerva project, which I will be able to share with you later on this month. But I went into my fabric stash and my pattern stash, and I came up with this one. It's McCall's 6884. It is a mock wrap dress. This is the pattern's designed for knit fabrics. This is from 2014. And so yeah, this is what I used to make this. And I had this fabric in my stash. It is waffle textured knit fabric. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it works perfectly for the dress. The pattern is easy to put together, really. There's not a lot to it. Like I said, it's an older pattern, but it's something that I'm pretty sure was pretty popular back then. So some of you may actually still have this pattern. The dress, I have made this before. I can't remember exactly what fabric I used, but I needed to make some adjustments, because I had cut out a smaller size back then and I needed to make it a bit larger for me now. But I didn't know when I chose this fabric, actually, that this red, wine, burgundy colors are very in for the fall, because, you know, I don't always pay attention to those things, but I do like to see what upcoming trends there are for either for colors or for styles. And so this burgundy wine color and reds are in for the fall. So, you know, I got mine done early, so I felt very fashionable at the time. But yeah, this is an easy pattern. It's just a pullover. I didn't really even finish the inside seams that much. I mean, they're stitched down really well, but I didn't really do a lot, as far as if I wasn't thinking, oh, this will just be just a mock-up to see how this pattern fits. Once I got it done and I put it on, I thought, I really like this because it looks nice. It really does. And I did the short sleeve version. Basically, I made view A, I guess it is, but with a bit of just this one here, but with a bit of a longer sleeve, because I think my sleeves are more like basically down to the elbow, I think. So it's super comfortable because it's knit. It will be something nice to have that I can dress up a bit, even for whatever occasion may come up. If we're going to dinner or something like that, it'll be a really nice thing to have. And it's not a bright red, so it's a bit more muted. When you're using like a wine color or burgundy, it's not as standout-ish as a bright red dress would be. Although that's not a problem if you like bright red, because I do like bright red too. That's fine, but this is the fabric that I had. I had gone through and looked for different fabrics, and obviously I had to find something where I would have enough. But this is something that has worked out really well. If you are new to sewing knits, I would encourage you to find an easy pattern, whether it's for a t-shirt or if you want to do some sort of dress, something pretty simple, but not so simple that you're not kind of stretching your ability a bit, because that, I think, is the best way to learn and to improve your skill. Not just doing a lot, but doing a little bit more. So each time you're learning something a little bit different and you're going a little bit more, it's a great way to learn. And I think that's for me at least, the best way. But that's basically what I wanted to share with you with this video today. I will be able to share the dress that I made for Minerva, as I said, later on in September. Although I did not end up using this pattern for that dress, but I found something in my stash, of course, because when you have a lot, you have a lot. I found something else that was more suitable. But that's it. If you have any questions or comments about anything you've seen in the video, please go ahead and leave it down below. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done so already. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.